It's been an amazing year here at BimmerTech.
Hey guys, I'm Chaz, the videographer.
And I am Dylan, the host here for the BimmerTech YouTube channel.
And we wanted to put together a video to show you guys the highlights of 2021.
We're going to be talking about some new changes that happened internally at BimmerTech. We're also going to be talking about some of the video stuff that you've seen on this YouTube channel, and even some stuff you haven't seen. So one of the things you might have noticed in a few of our more recent videos is the fact that we have wrapped the F30.
And it looks great, but unfortunately no one's gonna be able to see it because they won't let us drive it around.
Yeah, they're not a big fan of us taking it out on the roads, maybe for some filming, but in terms of using it as an advertisement, well, no. So it's in the shop if you want to see it. You're not gonna see it driving around town. We get yelled at if we do that.
But seriously, guys, come to the Ellenor showroom and you're able to take a look at everything that the car is already equipped with, so you can get a preview of the things you might want to put in yours.
And we are planning on doing even more to this car in 2022 to make it look awesomer than it already is, but let's save that for next year.
Yeah, let's keep it tucked away in our minds so they don't have to know about it.
But we've taken advantage of it the best we can by doing a little bit of this.
As we're approaching the new year, guys, just want to let you know that in the Orlando office, we actually got a couple new employees. We got Matt and Jared.
But BimmerTech is a worldwide company. We also have offices in Poland and Dubai, and they also got new employees this year. In Poland, we have Kinga, Mikolaj, Alex, and Patrick.
Along with some of the new people overseas in Poland, we got some new people in Dubai as well. We got Powell, AJ, and RJ.
And to wrap up the logistical stuff about what's new around the company, our new website. Our last website before this one was awesome, but guys, this new website we spent a lot of time on to make things easier for you to purchase your dream upgrade for your BMW, Mini, or Supra, or Rolls-Royce. Which, you should check it out if you haven't already, www.bimmer-tech.net, enter your VIN and find what you're looking for. Oh, and there's also like blogs and stuff too. Really great articles. It's a really good resource. Seriously, you should go over there and check it out. If all you do is watch our videos, you're gonna find way more stuff over there.
As we're doing our best to make the company look amazing, look great, and very functional to make sure you guys can do everything in your power to do things that you want to do to your car, and I'm rambling.
That's a lot of things.
Rewind.
Video fails. One of the biggest fails we've actually had are our vlogs. I don't know if you guys have seen them. Probably not. We have close to 40,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and our highest viewed vlog is like, what, 400 views?
But if for some weird reason you guys would really like to keep us, having us do these vlogs, just let us know.
Yeah.
Write it in the comments below. Write an email to the company, who knows, but just let us know if you guys keep wanting us to do it, because if not, they're gonna be going away.
Yeah, even if you don't want us to do it, please say you want us to, because we enjoy making them, so the screen just flashed. And as you can see, we are perfect and flawless on camera and never make mistakes. Isn't that right, Jazz?
That's so not true.
That's so not true. So let's take a look at some of our best bloopers and fails from 2021. Our BimmerTech wireless charger is a fantastic, oh gosh.
It's a fantastic,
All right, we have
So I'm gonna attach this to here.
It sounds so horrible. It sounds horrible. Don't laugh. You're making it worse.
Are you looking for me?
Of course, you're the lid to my tank.
When these cameras are off, we're busy editing these videos down. And you know what? Some of the clips don't make the cut.
And that could be because they're too boring, they're too long, or maybe just a bit risque. So here's some of those clips you missed, and I hope we get away with showing them here. Damn. Oh, oh, oh! That was loud.
After these videos get published, sometimes you guys have some comments you want to give us, and some of them are interesting, some of them are funny, and some of them are questionable. And you know what? Let's read a few.
So to finish this video off, we just want to say thank you. We couldn't have done it without our subscribers, and that means for this year alone, over 13.5 new thousand subscribers, and the views, over 2 million new views this year alone. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys. And this year, with all the views you guys gave us, the top ones were how to open your trunk without power, how to activate your key fob, and how to use remote start on your BMW.
And we finally surpassed CJ's video that he did so long ago on how to activate your key fob.
Yeah.
But guys, those are the top 3 videos that you've seen this year, but let us know, what videos do you want to see next year for 2022? What can we do to make things better for you? Do you want to see installs? Do you want to see tech tips? Do you want to see vlogs?
Vlogs, maybe some bloopers, who knows?
But regardless, we hope you stick around for the new year. So we want to wish your family a safe, and yourself and your family a safe, happy, and healthy 2022. And we hope to see you there. So make sure you subscribe and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching. Chaz says thanks for watching too.
Thanks for watching.
Jeez.